Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jabi coming to you live from the city of Abuja, Nigeria. How you all doing? Hope you're doing well and hope you're staying safe. So today I'm going to be giving you an old video. It's not so old like that, shy. So I think the whole demotivation thing that has been happening to the Nigerian YouTubers have finally caught up with me. I'm feeling so lazy to put up a video or to make a video today. And in order to be consistent, I've promised myself, like, by the grace of God, I shall be consistent. You see, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'll try my personal best to make sure I put out videos on those days. So I had to go to my archive and bring out one video like that. I did it, I think, few weeks or 2 weeks before the whole lockdown thing. So come along as I take you to Jabi Lake. Jabi Lake is where everything is happening. Like, it's an open space where you can just come, do anything you wish to do, and nobody will stop you. It's not like the Maitama Park where there's a restriction in Maitama Park, but here in Jabi Park, there is no restriction whatsoever. You can come play your ball, play volleyball, have your picnic, photo shoots, anything you want to do in this Jabi Lake, you are very welcome to do it. There's one hot gist I have for you concerning this Jabi Lake, but I will give you that gist later. Later in this video, I will give you that hot gist. So come along as I take you around the Jabi Lake, and you see what happens there basically.
Is it even maintained at all?
They have maintenance people, funny enough.
My Tama Park is still better than this place.
No, that one, because it's close to Aso Rock, to Villa.
Okay.
So there is more security, more coordination, more maintenance activity there. But here, like in my Tama now, you won't see any car. Now you can see one. If you go there, I'm sure you still see one or two.
But what are the cars doing here? Really? Say?
Thank you for you hear what you said?
Should they pay for these things?
What? To play? Yes.
How much?
Per game back?
100 naira per game.
The tennis used to be 40 naira per game. Sight and see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today park no full. How this place used to be filled up, Annoyingly. Someone said this is no, no make sense. Boat by the riverside. Sikoko Cafe. On top.
You can't pick it very well, but whatever. By video.
So this is the lake, and as you can see, people are actually entering. There's a boat available where you can enter and go around. I think it's 1,000 naira you pay to get into the boat. So I actually took a boat ride. This is my first time. I've been coming to this lake, but I've never done this because, Nigeria and our maintenance culture. So I've always been scared of entering this. I don't know a situation whereby I'll get into it and the boat stops in the middle of nowhere and I am stuck. So that has always been my fear. But you know what? I decided to give it a try. I enjoyed it. Is this something I want to do again? I don't know. I'm not so sure. I would rather go to that of Jabi Boat Club. I'm going to give you a video of that very soon. There's another boat club. I'll go there sometime when this whole corona thing has subsided. I'll go there and give people video on that.
Yes,
Come, so I finish 1,000 naira like this.
now you understand why.
Go the iron. Just stand up and hold
So the hot gist I said I have for you people. Them say. Me, I don't. I have not tried it too. But they said, if you are looking for man or woman, you should go to Jabi Lake on Saturday mornings. I did not say it too. That is what they told me, and I am telling you people. So if you're looking for man, if you're looking for a woman, if you're looking for friends, if you're new to Abuja and you're looking for ways to make new friends, you can always visit Jabi Lake on Saturday mornings. Go with your sportswear, because most times how they meet is they are going to do exercise. Some people are not doing exercise, but that kind of thing. Go with your sportswear, then join the groups you see doing exercise, and one or two things, you exchange number and anything can happen. That is the gist I have for you. That is what they told me. Me, I have not gone there for exercise, but I think I should actually go there. I think I should be considering that. After this whole lockdown thing, I think I will go there and see for myself if it is true. So this is Jabi Lake Park. Anyone you want to call it, Jabi Lake Park. It's close to Jabi Lake Mall. It's behind Jabi Lake Mall, depending on where you're coming from. It's around Jabi. So let me give you the advantages and disadvantages of this park or lake or anything. The advantages is that one is a free zone. You might not even spend anything. You might not spend much. If you're on a budget, you can actually go there and have fun for yourself. With 5,000 naira, you're sure 5,000 is even too much. With 3,000 naira, you're sure of having maximum fun. Play some games, buy some things if you want to eat, or you can come with your you can come there with your snacks and whatever. You can have your picnic there free of charge. Photo shoots, yes, there are cool spots for photo shoots as well. Weddings, people actually do weddings there. So if you're on a tight budget, see, forget that thing. Oh, just forget what people will say. How will he or she do wedding there? You can go there and do your wedding there, provided that you have people that will be able to control the crowd, because other people might intrude into your wedding. That's just a disadvantage. But it's free of charge. You can come there, do your wedding. You can do your party. What else? In short, lots of fun happens there. Then the drawback is that you have to be very careful. As you can see, there's so many guys there who can steal something if you're not careful. They can take something that's not theirs. So you have to hold whatever you're carrying. You have to guard it properly. Then if you're doing weddings and you're having occasions, then you need to be very careful, because sometimes these guys actually intrude into your privacy and take things. And once you start eating, they will start coming around. It can be very annoying when people just start coming around when you're eating, and most times they are not clean, they are not neat, so it can be very annoying. That's just the drawback. Is there any other drawback? I think that's just it. Then I wish the government can actually do something, like try and regulate who comes in and who goes out of that place, because you know crime rate in Nigeria has increased, and so if it can be regulated, it will be better for everybody. And I think they do drugs there as well. I heard so. I think those are the drawbacks I have with Jabi Lake. Apart from that, it's a good spot. You can go there, have fun. Go there, go with Bae, go with Boo, all of them. Go with your family. And there are corners again you can go to. You might not really get distracted. Yes, there are some other hidden corners you can go to, and you will not get, people will not come into your privacy, will not intrude into your privacy. I think that's all about Jabi Lake. If there's any other thing I missed, I will drop it in the comment section. But for now, that's just basically it. Hope you did enjoy this video. See you all in my next video. Have yourself a good day and a great day. Love you. Bye.